A homeowner thought they just needed new caulk. What we found behind the wall was much bigger. They shared with us that they kept cleaning the shower, but the smell kept coming back. The grout kept staining, and the tiles started sounding hollow. When we opened the wall for construction, moisture had already spread behind the tile and into the drywall. The visible mold that the homeowner saw was only a tiny part of the problem. Most bathroom mold problems start behind the surface, and many quick fixes only hide the issue temporarily. Fix the system, not the symptom. If you're seeing recurring mold, loose tile, or musty smells in your bathroom, we've created a guide that explains exactly what to look for and what to do next to treat and/or prevent future mold occurrences. We invite you to read the article by clicking on the links provided.